Hello everyone, I am Ren, and today I would like to introduce the Hexagon Soaky head cap screws, and also refers to as Hexagon Soaky cap screws, cup head screws, and Hexagon Soaky cap screws are called differently, but they represent to the same meaning. The commonly used Hexagon Soaky head cap screws are grade 4.8 and grade 8.8, grade 10.9, and grade 12.9, and also known as Hexagon Soaky head screws, also called Hexagon Soaky head bolts. And head is hexagonal head and cylindrical head. According to the material, there are stainless steel and iron. For stainless steel, there are stainless steel SUS 202 Hexagon Soaky head screws, which are made of ordinary stainless steel. And there are stainless steel, and the iron is classified according to the strength grade of Hexagon Soaky head screws. There are 4.8 grade Hexagon Soaky head screw, 8.8 Hexagon Soaky head screw, and 10.9 grade Hexagon Soaky head screw, and 12.9 grade Hexagon Soaky head screw. So the grade 8.8 to 12.9 Hexagon Soaky head screws are called high strength and high grade Hexagon Soaky bolts. So, what are the product usage? And similar to the countersunk screw, the nail head is embedded in the machine, and the connection strength is relatively strong, but the screw must be installed and removed with hexagonal wrench or the corresponding certification, and generally used in various machine tools and their accessories. I'm Ren. Thank you for watching.